Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. If you're looking for a super clean F-350 like brand new, this might be it. This is the 2019. Stock number is 7392. On a virtual video walkaround, as you can see, we're going to take you and show you the exterior and the interior condition of this gorgeous F-350. This does have the Power Stroke Super Duty 6.7 liter V8 motor. Looking at hauling, towing, or even just a daily driver, this is going to satisfy all your wants and needs. Does have the tow package, of course, fully loaded Super Duty. This vehicle is, of course, warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. You just get more at Sunset Ford. Let's take a exterior driver's side view. Now, if you're traveling with friends or family, you can see all the ample legroom on the interior here, in the rear. Maybe you're throwing Fido the dog in, who knows, but you got tons and tons of room. And as we make our way around, we're going to go inside and put you in the driver's seat. Super clean F-350, she won't last. Do me a favor, for more info, call us, email us, or text us on information on this truck or any of the other vehicles we have in inventory. We look forward to hopefully earning your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.